Let me start this conversation with few questions for all of you. Why spend a lot of hours on Instagram Reels? Why the entertaining video clip gets viral every time, not an educating video? Why the love between two cute couples faded away soon? Have you ever thought of? Why it becomes difficult to sit on reading a book giving values, and why we always run short of time or need more time to enjoy games, and a lot more questions you can relate to this. So till you think about it, let me bring you to a biological term called dopamine. Dopamine is a hormone or a chemical or a molecule released when something unexpected happens, and it actually excites our system body, and we become more focused when the dopamine level is good. So it is made of some chemicals जो मुझे आते भी नहीं है, pronounce भी नहीं कर पाऊंगा, but you could say it like a brain version of marijuana. It's also called the pleasure molecule. So to know more about this chemical, this molecule, you could read a book, The Molecule of More, written by Daniel Z. Lieberman, I think. And it's like how a single chemical in your brain drives love, sex, and creativity, and will determine the fate of human race. So let us start with an example. जब हम स्कूल में होते हैं और सैटरडे संडे छुट्टी होती है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन इन केस डीएम साहब कुछ अर्जेंट छुट्टी दे दें, then it becomes a next level happiness, and that is a time when dopamine releases. I hope you could relate all these questions to this dopamine effect, because dopamine effect is generally a short time pleasure which all of these things give. So this is basically diverting your mind from the real world or real world problems to an imaginary world. Now the video was how to control your brain. Now dopamine is generally is called a pleasure molecule, but उसका एक benefit भी है. If your dopamine releases on that thing which is useful, so आपका उस चीज़ में focus बढ़ जाएगा. That's why you hear कि जो लोग क्यूरियस होते हैं, जो बहुत ज़्यादा क्यूरियस माइंडेड होते हैं, they are always working, they don't feel boredom about their work. Before 2020 मेरा जो इंस्टाग्राम का engagement था, that was very less, that is very low. But after 2020 जब लॉकडाउन स्टार्ट हुआ, I got bored, so I started using Instagram. Or firstly it was for a time pass, but now it has become an addiction, and it has become an addiction to a lot more people. But on a bigger picture, it's a kind of a short-term pleasure, because consuming content will never work for you. Either an educating video, either a motivational video, or an inspirational video, or मेरा भी content जो है, it will never work for you. Only something will happen in your life. आपकी लाइफ में कुछ तभी होगा when you start working. WORK. But the thing is, if you can shift your entertaining videos time to an educating video, it will definitely improve your skill set or something, your life. It will grow in your life only if you put it into work. Again, work is the factor. But how can you do that? आप एक एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हो. डू वन थिंग, कीप योर सेल्फ अवे फ्रॉम मोबाइल फोन, फ्रॉम सोशल मीडिया, यूट्यूब फॉर एटलीस्ट द मैक्सिमम टाइम पॉसिबल फॉर यू, एटलीस्ट अ डे. नाउ स्टार्ट मेकिंग योर सेल्फ फील बोर. वंस यू स्टार्ट मेकिंग योर सेल्फ फील बोर, जो आपका डोपामिन लेवल है जो बढ़ जाता था कुछ एंटरटेनिंग वीडियोज देख देख के, इट विल ट्राई टू कम टू ज़ीरो. व्हेन यू विल स्टार्ट फीलिंग बोर, आपका वो जो डोपामिन लेवल है वो ज़ीरो पे चल रहा होगा. देन शिफ्ट योर सेल्फ डायरेक्टली टू रीडिंग बुक्स और सम एजुकेटिंग वीडियोज़ और कंटेंट. सी योर डोपामिन लेवल विल release on those books also, because You're shifting yourself from a bore to something new. So this is one of the way you could utilize your dopamine, because it actually focuses your mind more. So let's do this experiment and come back with the results on the comment section. If you find it good, I will be very happy to know about this experiment where you shifted from entertainment videos to educated videos, controlling your brain. Thank you.